Okay, so it's another problem from CodeChef called Ada King. What they are trying to say, let's read the problem. Chef is training to define her title of world chess champion. Okay, that to train her calculation skill, Ada plays a king on the chessboard. Remember that the chessboard has 8 rows and 8 columns. For the purpose purpose of this problem, both the row and the column are numbered 1 through 8. Let's denote the sequence in row R and column C by R and C. A king on a square RC can move to another square R dash and C dash if and only if R dash minus R square plus okay, it's nothing but a formula, distance formula in cardinality. Let's suppose in the graph you want to find the distance between these 2 points. In this scenario, you have to use this formula, right? Okay. So Ada plays her king on the square RC. This is the coordinate of king where we placed king on a grid. Now she is counting the number of squares that can be visited by the king in at the most k move. Help adults verify this. His answer. Fine. So they give us an input format, output format. Okay, so let's see what they are trying to say. This 7. Okay, so let's suppose our RNC. Okay, our RNC. I mean K is placed at 3 comma 2. Okay, so how we can calculate this? I mean what they are trying to say. Let's first discuss. And our K is 1. Okay, so using one move, how many how far we can move this king? So we can move king at 6 places, right? That's why our answer is 6 in this case. So how we can calculate this? There is a two-way calculate this. First one is easier way, which I implemented. Simply I calculate what is the distance, how far we can go using this K towards a top word, right? Remember I told you if you want to calculate a distance between 2 points using if you want to calculate Okay, it's a simpler one. Let's see how you calculate the area of this grid. So simply you want three things: coordinate of this top corner one and bottom one, right? So just subtract this 1 minus 0, not 1, it's 3. Hmm. It's 3 by 3. Simply you have to do simple multiplication kind of thing. 0 minus, sorry, 3 minus 0 plus 1 multiply by same 3 minus 0 plus 1. So using this you can calculate the area of this highlighted section. This one I implemented. Okay, there's a one more way I didn't implement, but there's a possibility to solve this same problem using graph. So simply you have to do one thing. Let's suppose our k is nothing but 3, and our k is placed at same 2 comma 3. So you have to go all 6 direction. Okay, and all 6 direction. Okay, all 8 directions, and the same time you have to decrease this k, and if k is 0 or x or y, any one of them is 0, you have to return 0. Not 0, you have to return 1, and that's how you can do same thing, right? But it take of I think log n complexity it will take. Yeah, it's take a log, and roughly it's log n take. Okay, and it will take constant time as well. And in this solution you also want some visited array, which is nothing but a replica of this 8 by 8 grid. So space complexity is also 16, which is also constant, so we can't take it, we can't consider it. So I will show you how I implement this. As I told you, I calculated this upper x and upper y. Upper x, it's this one, upper y is this one, sorry, this one. Lower x and lower y is this one. After that I subtracted plus 1, subtracted plus 1, multiply it so that I can get area of that grid, and simply I return this area. So you can see same thing here as well, and after submission it's perfectly submitted. Thanks.